Hi everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet a beautiful and easy flower earring pattern perfect for beginners and great as a last minute gift or accessory. Let's get started. I have actually used this material to make the earrings. This is pearl cotton along with the 1.25mm crochet hook. But today in the tutorial, I'm going to be using milk cotton yarn along with the 2.5mm steel crochet hook just to show you the stitches clearly. I'm going to start with the yellow color in the center. So we will start with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your index finger 2 times. Insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull through the ring. This is the magic ring we are going to work into. In the first round, chain 2, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain. Again, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the second chain. And then we need to work 15 double crochets inside the magic ring. So yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. This is a double crochet. Like that we will continue working up to 15 double crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I feel like the magic ring is too big for me. I'm going to pull this tail a little to make it smaller. And then work another 5 double crochets to complete 15 double crochets. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And then I'm going to leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. And then we will use the yarn needle to complete the center piece. First of all, we will pull this tail tight to close the magic ring properly, like so. And then we will thread the yarn needle like this. After that, I'm going to insert the needle into the second double crochet here. So this is the second double crochet, this is the first double crochet. So not to the first one here, but to the second double crochet. So insert the needle and then again go into the last stitch as well. Now this is how I'm going to join the round, and then we will run the tail through a few stitches before we cut it off. Just like the same, I'm going to hide the other tail as well in the center. and this is what it looks like. And you can count and make sure that you have 15 stitches around. And then I'm going to join the white color to complete the petals of the flower. What I'm going to do is just insert the hook into any one of the stitches around and then pull the white yarn through the stitch. And then I'm going to work over this tail so that it will get hidden inside the stitches. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then I'm going to work 3 double trebles into the next stitch over here. So yarn over 3 times, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 5 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. Now this is the first double treble, and then we are going to make 2 more double trebles into the very same stitch. Yarn over 3 times, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. 1 more double treble. This is what it looks like. And then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then I'm going to go into the base stitch here like this, and then work a slip stitch. Yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. That creates a little loop here. And then I'm going to go into the very next stitch and work 3 double trebles into the next stitch as well. One, 2, 3, and then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm going to work a slip stitch into the very next stitch here. So insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that I have completed the first petal of the flower. This is what it looks like. And then we will continue to work the second petal. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then work 3 double trebles into the next stitch. And then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and work a slip stitch into the base stitch here. Again work 3 double trebles into the very next stitch. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and work a slip stitch into the very next stitch here. Now we have completed 2 petals over here. Like that, I'm going to continue working another 3 petals. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and work 3 double trebles into the next stitch. Chain 5 and work a slip stitch into the base stitch here. Again 3 double trebles into the next stitch. Chain 5 and a slip stitch into the next stitch. Again chain 5, 3 double trebles into the next stitch. Chain 5, a slip stitch into the base stitch here. Again 3 double trebles into the next stitch. Then chain 5, work a slip stitch into the next stitch. Again chain 5, work 3 double trebles into the next stitch. Again chain 5, a slip stitch into the base stitch, 3 double trebles into the next stitch. Chain 5, and then I'm going to go into the starting point here and work a slip stitch to join. With that we have completed the flower. Now I'm going to leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. And then we will use the yarn needle to hide the tail here. And this is the exact same thing I have done by using the pearl cotton yarn. Now we will see how to attach these pieces together to complete the earrings. First I'm going to take the bigger jump ring, open it up using the pliers, and I'm going to attach it to a petal like this. Slide the smaller jump ring also into the jump ring here and then close it up. And then we can open the smaller jump ring and slide the hook ear wire into this and then secure that again. Just like the same, we can join the other one as well. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this flower earring pattern, please like, comment and subscribe for more quick and creative crochet tutorials. See you in the next video.